Bam! Social media firestorm Ino Morolong has unleashed on Dineo Moloi-Sanne. If you don't know the long-standing tension between these two South African socialites, Ino Morolong and Dineo Moloi-Sanne, thank God you don't know, okay? Because they've been at it for the longest of time, and once again, it has officially reached a boiling point. This one started with Dineo Moloi-Sanne's live, where she criticized Ino's daughter. Specifically targeting the child's hair, Dineo took aim at Ino's mothering skills, calling her a stupid mother for sending her child to school with that hair that was not fully relaxed or styled to her standards. I find this to be madness because how dare you expect me to style my child to your liking? Anyway, Ino caught wind of it and reposted the part of the live where Dineo was talking about hair.
Without my pondo, you can't. You are a stupid mother. You are an idiot mother. Useless. It's either you're going to put your baby on the gram or you're not going to do it if you know you're not taking care of that child. When I Instagram, by somebody and go come upon the baby, just relax her. Like Lisa. And what agarreta, non to para la agarreta. And what is something that you're agarreta, please don't agarrate us. Don't put us.
Oh, she came for her with a clap bag that has the internet buzzing. She responded to Dineo with a series of scoffing posts that spared no insults. Primarily focused on her dedication to her daughter, whom she describes as super talented and well-behaved. She then went on to dismiss Dineo's critics as desperate investing of time into another person's child. In her own words, she said, "You can call me anything under the sun, but not a bad mother. I'm raising my daughter so well, I'm preparing her for a beauty pageant. So I direct all my energy to her." And she didn't stop there, okay? She went on to unleash a barrage of insults, repeatedly referring to Dineo as donkey face and ghetto. And as the slides continued, the accusations became increasingly serious. Ino alleges that Dineo suffered from fat necrosis following a procedure and claims that she couldn't afford 45K to pay for the hospital she was in. She ended up discharging herself while still leaking. Then went on and took aim at Dineo's own kids, calling them ill-mannered and loud, and accusing Dineo of exposing them to a rotating door of useless men. And she wasn't done. The most shocking slide involved a call for the SIU, Special Investigating Unit, to investigate Dineo for allegedly using fake cuts. She also dragged Dineo's social cycle into this frying pan. She listed former friends, including names like Thokoza Mfana-Koko and Doro Mongi, claiming they all abandoned Dineo because she is loud, controlling, and a bad person. And before I forget, you all will remember that Dineo Moloi-Sanne recently made peace with her baby daddy, and they are now seemingly co-parenting in peace, sharing baby pictures and everything. But Ino Morolong pulled up an old video of Dineo Moloi-Sanne's baby daddy.
Yeah. Something. If relationship, if you are like, you get a man or ratang like your previous. Oh yeah. Ex-lesbian. 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 What's going on? I thought you told ex-yak. Oh. Because easily monna. So ex-lesbian, no. Oh, it's finger licking good, no. And come and come. Oh, she'll do anything to travel the world and do whatever she wants to do because of. Yeah. Never ratana read ratana. I'm happy for you. So one thing about it, I'm happy about it. So replace the side mo. Ay, vamos shafunile banna pili. Because of what, guys? Let me tell you something. Yeah. When you post on Instagram, you DM, rinya go taste them to
Oh yeah. So to taste yeah. All I can say is that this is highlighting a very dark side of influencer culture where nothing is off the table. Your mama, your kids, your dog, everything, your whole lineage is on the table. And it's sad to watch grown adult women fighting, but also bringing in the kids when they're both mothers. And Dineo's initial remarks on Ino's child's hair, that was below the belt. That was unnecessary. She had no business talking about Ino's child when she has kids of her own that she can style to her liking. And then, you know, took it to beneath hell, like literally. But then again, I'm like, okay, as a mother, I'm sure she was like, you come for my kid? It is hell o'clock, let's go. She also told Dineo that if she had a good head on her shoulders, she would have known that a child's hair you can't keep applying relaxer to it, you need to give it a break. And it doesn't seem like their feud is gonna end anytime soon because Ino sent a warning Dineo's way saying, try me again, utabana spoku, you will see a ghost, just try me. My take, honestly, I don't care for them going off at each other. They're adults. If that's what they want to be known for, fine, go for it. But when they involve the kids, then no, you don't do that. Anyway, let's continue this in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.